How to fix any problem on Indeed job search. Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and fix any problem you have on this app. So the first thing we do is we go to the app, and now you go to those three lines on the top corner, and then go down to Help Center. Click on this option, and here you will find a lot of the solved problems from technical support, resume services, and you can search for any problem that you have on your account or about anything. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching till the end.